some of the specific interventions that have been added to the measures that have already been taken in the country. And this came after this meeting that you see here. So, let's start off with some of those interventions. Number one would be the Coronavirus Emergency Response Committee will ensure enforcement of a directive barring government officials from undertaking non-essential international travel. And it's not just government officials, but business persons and citizens have now been advised to shun non-essential travel out of the country, especially to high-risk areas that are currently being parts of Asia and Europe. Should they travel, all returning Kenyans and even visitors from the high-risk areas will be required to confine themselves to mandatory self-quarantine for 14 continuous days in keeping with the WHO recommendations. And to keep the virus off, the meeting chaired by President Kenyatta directed that all education institutions enforce a directive to wash hands with soap and water in a bid to promote hygiene observance. Being a highly contagious disease, the committee now has a task to come up with strategies to keep the virus at bay in low-income and vulnerable populations, especially in informal settlements. These are areas that are heavily crowded, and an outbreak there has the risk of reaching catastrophic levels. And to finance some of these interventions, President Kenyatta has directed budgetary reviews and adjustments to provide for resources necessary to finance the prevention and management response to the virus. With the imminent impact to the economy, the President wants resources allocated to cushion it.